So, I have just finished the first video, and I want to share with you the second one. Okay? How do we prove that air has weight? Okay? And so, what I'll do is, well, already done, is I have a meter stick. Okay? And on my meter stick, I have taped two balloons. I've taped a white balloon, well, this one's white. I've taped a balloon to one end and a balloon to the other end. And what I'll do is I will just hold the meter stick in place, and we can see, here I gotta change the camera angle a little bit better. Okay, and so I'm putting my finger in the middle, and so in this experiment we can prove if air has weight. Right now, I'm trying to get my finger exactly in the middle. It's not perfect, okay? Right now the meter stick is balanced. Okay, I am balanced because I'm in the middle of the meter stick. The balloons have equal weight, and also there is the same amount of air in the balloons, none, and there's the same amount of tape on either end. So the meter stick is balanced. But what happens if I were to fill one of the balloons up with air? So I'm going to remove that balloon, and I'll replace it with a balloon that I've already filled up with air. What is going to happen? Okay, so the balloon is filled up. I now need to tape the balloon back to the meter stick. All right. So the balloon is now taped. The balloon is filled with air. This balloon is not. What is going to happen when I let go of the meter stick when I have it on my balanced mark? Do you think the meter stick will stay the same? Do you think the blue balloon will sink and the yellow balloon will rise? Or do you think that the yellow balloon will sink and the blue balloon will rise? What do you think? Make your predictions. I'll give you about 10 seconds. Or, of course, you can pause the video until you think you know what's going to happen, and then click play. All right. So, I'm going to let go. We will find out if air has weight. 3, 2, 1, release. Static electricity attracted the balloon to my arm. And we see that the balloon with air in it, or more air in it, is heavier than the balloon that has none in it. And that's how we were able to prove that air has weight. When I filled one balloon with air and I did not fill the other balloon with air, one balloon has air in it, the other balloon does not. The balloon with air in it was heavier, and it sank, and it made the meter stick kind of tilt over in its direction. So we're able to prove that air has weight through our experiment. All right, and side experiment, balloons have static electricity that can pull the hair up on arms. Whee! Look at that. You can't really see, my hair is not thick enough. But it works. All right. Awesome. Peace out.